I randomly came across something on YouTube yesterday which I thought many people won't know, or may not know. I certainly didn't. And it's a function in Excel which works on my latest version of Excel, which is 2016. I did learn most of what I know about Excel from much earlier versions like 2003. But it certainly works on 2016. So to demonstrate this, I wanted to get some names, random names here, and the internet provided those. I just said to Google random names, and it found me a site which had 1,000 completely random names, all the way down to Yosef Para. And it could put the names, first name, second name, in one cell. Now, quite often, it would be nice to have the first name in this cell and the second name in the next cell. And you could do this with a function. You look for where the space is and split it up with left and right string. But if you just want it done quickly and conveniently, it says with this function called flash fill, just type it in manually for the first one and click in the cell that's empty underneath Sage, and it's almost a bit of artificial intelligence. If we now type CTRL-E, hey presto, the names are generated for you in that cell. CTRL-E, and it goes all the way down until it can't find anything in this region, and it stops. So that's really quite a quick and easy way to do it. Now the one difficulty would be if we were to then come and update this list and say change Emily Jones, who has decided she's now Emily Parker, then it's not going to update. The Jones is going to stay as Jones because it's not a function. It's not artificial intelligence in that it can't be clever enough to generate a new function in here. It's simply doing the text as if you had typed it in. So if Emily Parker is wrong, does it mean we're in trouble? No, you can simply select the one that's wrong, type CTRL-E, and it fills in. If we had a little section that you wanted to update the whole lot, just delete them, CTRL-E and CTRL-E. Now I don't think you can do anything in bulk. I don't think if you were to do that it would work. No, it only would work on the one cell. That's asking a bit too much, but there we are. Quite a clever little thing, useful if you're not going to be updating these constantly or frequently. We learn something new every day.